Hello! In this video I will show you how to insert SD card and SIM card into CUBOT KingKong 6. So you have to start by removing this rubber cover, and now you have to use your SIM tray key and you have to insert it into this hole. And here you have your SIM tray, and now you have to place your SD card and SIM card on this tray. Like this. And now you have to put your SIM tray back into your device. And put back your cover. And now, as you can see, my phone recognized that I have put my SIM card because I have network bar right here. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.